Welcome back to Drive Nation, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance cars. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most iconic hypercars of our time, the 2025 Bugatti Chiron. Buckle up, because this isn't just any review, this is a full breakdown of the Chiron's jaw-dropping design, luxurious interior, mind-blowing performance, and what it actually costs to own a piece of this engineering masterpiece. Let's start with the exterior, because that's the first thing that grabs your attention. The 2025 Chiron retains its legendary horseshoe grille and signature C-line curve that divides the car's profile. But this year's model refines everything just a bit further. Sleeker LED headlights, carbon fiber sculpted panels, and subtle aerodynamic upgrades bring a new level of aggression and elegance. The lines are bold, yet precise. Bugatti managed to make something already beautiful even more breathtaking. Every detail, from the active rear wing to the massive quad exhaust setup, screams performance and exclusivity. Now step inside, and it's a whole other experience. The 2025 Chiron's interior is all about blending ultra-luxury with pure driving focus. You won't find any giant touchscreens or gimmicks here. Instead, you get hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum controls, and carbon fiber accents throughout. It's minimalist but incredibly refined. The steering wheel is race-inspired, and the center console is designed to feel like a cockpit, angled toward the driver, intuitive, and clean. And let's talk about comfort. Despite being a hypercar, the Chiron offers a surprisingly smooth ride, with seats that are both supportive and plush, wrapped in the finest materials imaginable. It's a cabin that makes you feel powerful just sitting still. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the seats, is where the Chiron really flexes its muscles. Powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, the 2025 model continues to deliver an insane 1,600 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 in under 2.4 seconds in a top speed that pushes the boundaries of what's road legal, electronically limited to 261 miles per hour, but capable of even more on the track. The updated chassis and advanced all-wheel drive system give the Chiron improved handling over previous versions, offering sharper turns and more grip without sacrificing ride quality. Performance isn't just about raw power, it's also about control, and the 2025 Chiron nails it. The braking system is upgraded with massive carbon ceramic discs, and the suspension adapts to road conditions in real time. Whether you're cruising in grand touring mode or pushing the limits on a closed course, the Chiron stays composed, confident, and brutally fast. And now, let's talk about the price tag. The base price for the 2025 Bugatti Chiron starts at around $3.6 million. That's before any customizations, which, let's be honest, no one's buying a Chiron without adding personal touches. Expect to go well north of $4 million for a fully spec'd out version. It's exclusive, it's rare, and it's meant for collectors and enthusiasts who want the absolute peak of performance and craftsmanship. That's the 2025 Bugatti Chiron, a car that doesn't just push boundaries, it redefines them. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with Drive Nation. See you in the next one.